If you're using Google Sheets or even use another person's Google Sheets and you want to quickly change the country, now this has a few interesting repercussions or effects, and I'll show you those by going to where you need to change what's called the locale. File, Settings, and then here's Locale, and you can change this to any country that is in this list. But what changes? Well, this affects all of the functions. That means some of the functions have a colon between the items of the function. Some have a semicolon. It also changes the dates and the date format and also the currency. So that is the only things that are affected by the locale. However, time zone is going to be affecting all of the time-related functions in your sheet. If you have automations, I want to show you one other place to change this time zone. We're going to hit cancel. We're going to go up to extensions, app script, and this is very important if you have any automations that are running. Over on the left side, project settings, you need to change the time zone here. These are two different time zones in app script and in your sheet, file, settings. These are two different time zones that you have to set both of them if you have automations or anything that's happening. However, if you're just using formulas like now or today, then just change this time zone here. You won't be affected by the app script time zone. And if you do want to change the language of your Google Sheets, not just the language inside of them, but the actual language, you will have to change that over in admin settings in your Google Workspace admin area. That's outside of Google Sheets. But just to change the country, you'll want to go to File Setting and here change the locale. I have created a Google Sheet that lists every single locale, what the delimiter is, meaning that thing between the formulas, and the default date format, and the decimal and thousand separators. I've listed them all here. I'll put a link to this sheet down below in the description. Very, very interesting to see the differences between each of these countries. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.